Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the sets in the Python. So sets are one of the most powerful data types that are that can store unique data items and that are super fast and help us with operation like union intersection. So these are unique operations which we can perform using these sets. It helps in storing only the unique values and avoid any duplicate values from the data set. So let's deep dive into it and let's understand how we can use the set in our day to day life and how we can do the operation in the set in the Python. So, what is the set? Set is the collection of unique and unordered data types. Means in unordered items means you cannot fetch the data using the indexes. Like earlier when we were using the string and tuple and list, so we were able to fetch the elements from the data set using the indexes. But here in this set, there is no indexes. All the elements are stored are unordered. So we cannot fetch them with the indexes. We cannot do the indexing operation or slicing operation in the set. All the values are unique. There are no duplicate values in the set. So that is the important point in the set. It is the unique and unordered data type. Sets are written using the curly braces. We use the curly braces to create the set and store the values in it. We will see how we can use the set in this video. So just be with me. They are useful for removing the duplicates and performing mathematical operation like union, intersection, etc. Like in our school time, we have already learned about union and intersection operation. So same operation we can perform in the set. We will learn about these things in this video. So why we use that set? So it helps in data cleaning because with the help of set we can remove the duplicate values, and it is secure because we can blacklist and whitelist, and it helps in text processing because it helps in finding the unique words and word frequency, and you can perform database operation like union, intersection, and difference. So these are all usage of a set. So let's see how we can use it. So so let me see how we can create an empty set. So how do we create an empty set? So suppose this is my set, and if as we discussed that we need to use a curly braces, and now I check the what is the type of this. So it will give dictionary. So when we create like this, so it will take it as a dictionary. So the right way to create an empty set is you need to use set one is equal to set. We need this is how we create an empty set. Now I check the type. So now it is giving class set. Okay. And here also you can store any value. You can store a string, integer, floating point, mixed data type. Any data type you can store in the set. Now let me print it. Okay. And with the mixed data type also you can create the set. So you can store any value in the set. But all values will be unique. There will be no duplicate value. Suppose if I create this mixed set with I have adding one, okay, and two times, 3, 33. Okay, I have added 2 times, 33 3 times, and one is also 2 times. So now I am entering and now I am printing it. So now you can see duplicate values are gone. We have only unique values in this set, and there is no ordered. Order will also change. Okay, we cannot use the indexing to fetch the values. Let me try it. Mixed 0. So you got the error. set object is not subscribable, subscriptable. So you cannot fetch the values with the indexes because these are unordered lists. Okay. So then how we will fetch the values of the set? So you can use the for loop for I in fruits, same as we do in list and string and tuple. Same we can do that I. So it will print the values of fruits. Yeah, in fruit we have only three values. Yeah. So in same way we can run the loop and we can fetch the values. And if we want to add the value, so we can do fruits dot add function we have. Then you can give, suppose I want to add orange. So it will add. We can, it is mutable. We can change the values in the set. Okay. But we cannot fetch it with the index number. Now let me print the fruits. So we have orange now. So if you want to add only one element, you can use the add function. But if you have multiple elements, so you can use the update method. Suppose you have a list of elements A, okay, A, B, C, and you want to add it in set. So this you can do using the update method. Now let me print the fruits. So you have everything. A, B, C is also added in the set. So this is how you can add one element and multiple elements in the set. Now how we can remove the elements from the set. So you can use the remove method. So fruits not remove. I want to remove A. Okay. Now let me check fruits. I don't have A now. But when I again run this remove A, I got the error. Okay. So for that, we have another method discard. Let me use the discard method. If I am using the discard, so I didn't get the any error. We don't have any A in the fruits. Still, I did not get any error. So with the help of discard, we don't get error if we are removing anything from the set. We don't have A, still I did not get the error. So if I want to discard, let's see if it is fruits dot discard. I'm removing B. Okay, enter. So I am not getting any error. Let me print it. So we don't have a B and still I did not get any error. So to avoid the error, we use the discard function. We have one more function, that is the pop. Fruits dot pop. So it will remove any random elements from the set. It has removed banana. Okay. Now let me print fruits. We don't have banana now. Let me print again do pop. So it has removed apple. So randomly it will remove the elements from the list, from the set. Okay. Now let's see how we perform the other operation in the set, like union, intersection. How we do this function? Let's see. So fruits dot clear. Clear function we can use to remove all the elements from the set. Okay. It will clear all the elements. Fruits dot clear if I run. So it will empty the set. It will empty the set. I do the type of fruits, it is set, and if I print fruits, we are getting empty set, right? So we can use the fruits dot clear function to empty the this. Now let's see how we perform the operation. We have two sets. Let's see, we have the two operation. We will do all the union intersection operation now. So we have two set. Okay. Now let's see how we perform the union operation. To perform the union operation, what is the union? First, we need to understand this. So union is, we need to union will, if I do A union B means it will have the all elements from A and B which are unique. It will remove all the duplicate value, but it will have all the elements from A and B. So this we have A and this we have B. So here, if I create the union, so it will have the element from both A and B, all the elements from A and all the elements from B. So I am just telling you that A union B. So it will add all the elements from A 1, 2, 3, 4, and from B also 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, since it is a set, it will remove the duplicate value. So it will have 3 and 4 one time only. Okay, not two times because it is a set. But it will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let's see if we get it. Yeah. So when I did the A union B, so it has all the elements from A and all the elements of B, and it will remove any duplicate values. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, it has taken 1, 2, 3, 4 from A. Then in again in B we have 3, 4 which we have already in the set. Okay. And then 5, 6. So it has all the elements from A and B. This is called union. We already learned it in our school time. What is the union intersection? Same applies here. Okay. So this is the union. Now, what is the intersection? So this is the method how we use the intersection. Intersection is the common elements from A and B. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and in B we have 3, 5, 6. And 3, 4 is common in both the set. So we should get 3 and 4 as the output. So we have the 3 and 4. Okay. So A intersection B is the common element from both the set. Now what is the difference? A minus B. A minus B is the all the elements from the A and remove the elements from B. All the elements from A and remove any extra element from the B. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 4 will be also there, but 4, 5, and 6 will be not there. Let's see. Okay, I am A minus B. I need to do A minus B, 1 and 2. So it will take all the elements from, it will take all the elements from A, and if there is any element that is there in the B, it will remove that element. Okay. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4 is there in the B, so it will discard it. And then it will have 1 and 2. And same we can do in B minus A. When I do B minus A, so it will take all the element 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then it will see 3, 4 is there in the A. So it will discard 3 and 4. I will get only 5, 6. Okay. So only the element which we have in A that is not present in B, we will get with the A minus B. Oh, I hope you are able to understand. Next is symmetric difference. So that is A arrow B. So for that, all the elements which are not common in A and B will be printed here. So 1, 2 is unique and 3, 4 is there in the B. So it will discard 3, 4 and it will print 1, 2. And then here in the B also 3, 4 is already there in the A. So it will discard 3, 4 and it will print 5, 6. So it will print 1, 2, 5, 6. So we have 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is how we perform the union, intersection, difference, and symmetric difference in the set. Okay, and we have a function also, as we have in a list. We can find the length of the set using the length function. Okay, and then say max man, max min, sum we can use in the set, and print 2 in. So if you want to find if particular element present in the set, so we can use, so suppose 2 in A, so it should get true na. Yeah, and if I check 2 in B, I'm getting false because in B we don't have 2. And if I do 3 in B, so I should get the true. So this is how we can perform all the operation in the set. And so I am taking one example. Suppose we are importing one CSV file and logs and database, and we need to find out the duplicate values. We need to remove all the duplicates value, and I need to collect all the unique values. Suppose I have the list of email ID and I need only unique email ID from the CSV file. So we can create a set. I have a list of email ID. I can convert it to set. So then I will have only unique email IDs. So it helps in finding the unique email ID from the list. So this now I have the unique value. So it is more efficient, more fast to find the unique values. Otherwise, it is very tedious task to check all the email ID and remove the duplicate value. So that makes it very easier to fetch all the unique values from the list. So this is real-time example of how we can use the set. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. That's all. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day ahead.